Kavyanjali Trivedi, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, Study of Continents, third, Australia and Antarctica. Tomorrow I have told you about Australia, its location, its physical features, its political division, etc. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter but with another topic of Antarctica. So let's continue the chapter with the introduction of the topic. Antarctica is a frozen continent lying around the South Pole. It is fifth largest continent of the world and is larger than Australia and Europe and is half of Africa. Since it is completely frozen, it is also known as a white continent. It is a remote and inhospitable place with the cold winds and blizzards blowing here. It is one of the coldest and the coldest place on the earth. The fact is, the meaning of Antarctica in Greek is opposite the bear. The bear refers to the constellation, the Great Bear, which points to the North Pole. About the location of Antarctica. Antarctica is a large continent located around the South Pole, surrounded by water on all their sides. The Weddell Sea and the Ross Sea are actually bays found near the Antarctica Peninsula. About the relief, the Antarctica Peninsula is a narrow strip of land which stretches very close to the Cape Horn of South America. The combined waters of Antarctic, Pacific and Indian Ocean forms the Antarctic Ocean and Southern Ocean, which surrounded the continent of Antarctica. The whole of Antarctica is practically covered with a thick of ice sheet. Along with the coast of Antarctica, the ice sheet separates out into the sea. The topography of Antarctica is characterized by the rugged surface, mountains, steep shores and some bare valleys which are devoid of ice and are very dry valleys. The continent of Antarctica is divided into two parts by the Transantarctic Mountains. The larger part towards the east is called Greater Antarctica, and the smaller, narrower part towards the west is called Lesser Antarctica. On Greater Antarctica lies the Queen Maudland Plateau. The Vinson Massif is the highest point on the continent, which is located at a height of 5,140 meters. The Mount Erebus is the only active volcano on this continent, which lies on the Ross Island in the Ross Sea. The only permanent inhabitants on this land are the penguins. About the climate, since Antarctica is situated around the South Pole, it always receives slanting rays of the sun. Hence, the temperature remain very low. In the summer, which occurs between November and February, the average temperature remains below 0 degrees Celsius in the interior of the continents. It gets maximum sunlight at the time, as the sun never sets during the summers. During the winters, which occurs between May and August, the whole of Antarctica remains in darkness because the sun never rises. During winters, the temperature drops to below 60 degrees Celsius, although the year blizzard blow. Around the South Pole, the central part of continent, which remains relatively calm. During the spring season, which occurs between September and November, at least, the level of ozone in the ozonosphere above Antarctica falls rapidly, forming an ozone hole. The ozone hole is formed because of the natural causes. Though I am going to tell what is the meaning of ice sheet. Ice sheet refers the permanent ice or snow covering a large sea, and blizzard meaning snowstorm with very strong winds. About the vegetation of Antarctica, Antarctica is permanently covered with snow. All we know, it is very low temperature there. Thus the extreme cold condition do not never growth of vegetation in some areas during the summer season. When the temperature increases, mosses and lichens grow. In the picture, I am showing you the lichens. Hope you understand the chapter. I have told you about the vegetation, location, physical features of Antarctica. Thank you so much. Have a great day.